Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to talk about our research with the title is The Physico-Chemical Properties of Palm Kernel Cake Processes by Combination of Screening and Blowing Technology. We know that Indonesia a high potential of raw material for feed ingredient. Indonesia produces about 36 million tons or 65% of the world palm oil production. One of byproducts from palm oil production is palm kernel cake. Palm kernel cake contain about uh, 15 until 18 uh, crude protein. Its potential for feed ingredient. However, palm kernel cake has a constraint. For example, hard texture shell, sharp and low palatability. It's a problem for uh, poultry feed because uh, palm kernel cake low digestibility in uh, poultry digestive tract, and also palm kernel cake still contain about 15 of lignin. So it should be solved to increase the quality of palm kernel cake. Our research have been conducted to evaluate the physical and chemical properties content of palm kernel cake after shell separation by screening and blowing technology. Our experiment has been conducted by sample preparation, palm kernel cake, and also we did the experiment by implementation of separation or filtration, and also we did the experiment combination of filtration and blowing technique. My research design in factorial randomized block design with five group and consisted of three factor of treatment. First one is filter diameter, and second one airflow velocity, high and low speed of airflow. And the third factor, we measure fall distance of the particle. Data we analyze using ANOVA for physical properties and chemical properties. We analyze by descriptive analysis. This is a flowchart of the first experiment. It's mean that we spread the particle of palm kernel cake by filtration, and the second one we combination of filtration and also with exhaust by blowing machine, and we can uh, generate the output or particle fine to coarse uh, uh, definition. We can define in fine and a coarse of a particle. The results show that yield value after filtering with a filter size, three different size of a cipher, it's 16, 13, and 50 mesh in size. Uh, in figure A, we can see that filter particle reduce with the increase of shift mesh. However, in figure B, Its combination with filtration and airflow technique, non-filtered particle seems to be higher when the increased mass size of shiver. We can also get the output of separation and blowing technique. We can spread it into three parts of particle filtered at a fall distance 0.5 meter and 1 meter. And also the last one is more than 1 meter. It means that the high fall distance is uh, seems correlated with the fine particle. In table 2, physical properties of compound kernel cakes with the combination of filtration and airflow technique, we can see that in this table, specific gravity uh, significantly influenced by uh, shiver and also speed of airflow and falling distance. It means that specific gravity is very closely associated with the treatment. The the other one is pile compaction density also consistent with the specific gravity. It means that physical parameters associated by our treatment and some of parameters we can see that correlation between diameter and also falling distance. It means that implementation or application of this technique, we can separate um, some of specific particle by this method. In table 3, we can see that crude fiber and also gross energy. Gross energy cannot uh, affected by treatment, but crude fiber seems to be lower when we use the high mass size of shiver and also affected by falling distance and also airflow treatment. So the crude fiber become to be lower when shiver is more higher in mass size. We can see in the figure correlation between profile of physical texture and with good fiber content. Uh, in high fiber content, it seems to be correlated with the 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 profile physical profile of particle. In the lower good fiber content, we can see small amount of uh, shell content in uh, lower good fiber, lower than high fiber. It's conclude that cell separation of combination filtration and blowing technology significantly affect physical and some of chemical properties of palm kernel cake. Combination of filtering and airflow technique reduce crude fiber content of palm kernel cake about more than 40% without altering the gross energy content of palm kernel cake. Thank you very much for your kind attention. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.